Cash Out, and I'm back on the vlog for y'all today. So today we're gonna be putting downpipes on the G90. You know the blue G90 y'all be seeing on my, So first G90 New York with downpipes. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna let y'all see how that goes. So let's get to it.
What's the word? You saying what we doing today?
What we doing today?
What we doing today? Cash out some downpipes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we doing. Downpipe, turn it to JB4 a little bit. Alright.
Yo, Carolina, they're telling the truth.
Electric transmission.
Shout out to Raza, man. RK Auto Works. Great product.
Look at the plastic. Look at the plastic. That's fuel. But three?
I'll treat tonight. When I cross go up on their belly.
Few moments later.
No.
Don't make them dry. If it's both, don't make them dry. Yo, use some water. Use some blood clot. Chill up.
Some big ass cats.
Put this over there, D.
Alright. Baby one is out. Baby one is out. Baby's out. It's a boy. Trini. It's twins. Oh, yeah, it's twins. One like Sean, one like me. What happened?
Top part is going in now. We're about to go to the bottom next. Wifi bottom still.
No, the kid never done that though.
The church.
Alright, y'all. Downpipes are in.
Is a church, a house of worship. He's right.
Alright, y'all. We about to start it up. Let's see how it sounds. Bombocla.